Oh, he's
stuck.
Oh.
Oh.
Like now you know whose nails are longer.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's Miss Universe CATriona here, but I'm with the king of the universe, Mr. Peabody. He is Miss Universe royalty. Today we're playing a game of cat or CATriona. Come back. I want to be your best friend. Oh. Who's more curious? I would have to say Mr. Peabody, right? As soon as we came in here, he was just checking everyone out and everything out. He's a little curious little critter. More sassy, Mr. Peabody, who do you think? He's like me, so I'm leaving. Duh. Who's more independent? I like to say the both of us because I think Mr. Peabody here likes to do his own thing. Like, go away from me right now. And I also love to go around and do things on my own too. Hey. So I learned today that cats can't actually taste sweetness, so it would have to be me. That's so sad, Mr. Peabody. I'm so sorry you don't know what sweet tastes like. Mr. Peabody obviously doesn't because he was offended by that question. I love dogs and cats. Who likes to swim? Oh gosh, does Mr. Peabody like to swim? No, you are not a water cat, obviously. I love being in the water. I am a self-confessed water baby. Who is funnier? I'm gonna have to say Mr. Peabody. He just has an innate sense of making people laugh because of his divaness. See, look at him right now. He don't know where to lay down or stand up. Oh, oh, oh. There we go. Is that right, Mr. P? Okay, I will sit closer to you. I know you're more comfortable here. Who sleeps more? Mr. Peabody. Sleeping is my superpower. I think I have you on this one. Oh, really? That you sleep that much? That many hours in a day? Okay, I'll give it to Mr. Peabody. Who can do the best catwalk? It's showtime.
Gotta go in a straight line, Mr. Peabody. Work it! Work it!
Not every day to have a cat